This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a sentence error here that has an idiom problem. We have the correct idiom here is so blank that blank. An idiom is a sequence of words in American English that is, for some reason, is correct for no other reason than that's just the way it is. And there's a bunch of these in American English that you need to be acquainted with. One of them is this one. We have so blank that blank. And we can look at some of these answer choices and see that it breaks it. For example, in the example of the first choice, we have so involved in their places and thus. So thus is the wrong word. It needs to be that. So this is wrong. We also have therefore in the next one. We have so blank therefore. That doesn't work. The third one you might say is okay. Let's leave that for now. The fourth one we have so involved that, that's the correct idiom, they forget to eat. That's correct. In the last one we have neither the so nor the that, just like the third one. Now let's talk about options 3 and 5 because we need to get rid of some of these so that we can be confident that 4 is the correct one. Both of these, the third one and the fifth one, they have the same problem, which is that they fail to connect that the involvement leads to the forgetfulness. Right? So they take the fifth one. It says, it is a fact that some artists become involved in too many pieces and they forget to eat. It makes it sound like these two things are just two events. This is event 1, here's event 2, but they're not necessarily connected. It's like Dave is tall and he went to the store. That's two things that happened and are true. They're not connected in any way. The point of this sentence is to say that the artists become involved in so many things that they forget to eat. Right, so you could say this is wrong for meaning purposes. The third one has a such that, which does imply a bit of directionality, but it fails to connect the fact that they forgot to eat because of the quantity. It just says they get involved in many pieces, but it doesn't say that they got involved in so many that they forgot. And that's the true meaning of the sentence. So I would leave this one as an idiom. All of these other ones were idioms, or you could call these preposition errors.